Out here being productive, making money. This is what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Being productive. You know what I'm saying? And that I am. We got to change these terminals though. A lot of people don't know. You see that corrosion? That will drain your battery. Right here. See that corrosion, aka acid? Yeah, that'll drain your battery. So I'm finna change the terminals. You don't need no special terminals though. Just regular, basic terminals. Just a little wiggle, a little right wiggle. Yes, sir. See all that corrosion? All this corrosion, it'll drain your battery. A lot of customers be thinking they got a bad battery, but nope, it's the corrosion. If you get enough corrosion on these terminals, it's gonna sink in around the battery ports. You see? Yeah. The whole time you got a good battery. Yeah. All right, already. Damn it. My bad. I already loosened this one. Same thing, corrosion. Corrosion. That'll drain your battery every time. So I'm just getting them basic terminals. Just basic terminals. Nothing special, fancy. It works every time though. So now I gotta rewire all this. So I'm finna get started. Yes, sir.